Walking every day seems like the safest habit for your health. But here is the truth most people never hear. The way you walk could be silently damaging your joints, your heart, and your body every single day. 4 simple mistakes. Most people make all 4 without ever realizing it. And mistake number 4? That one shocks even people who have been walking for years. Stay until the end, because what you learn today could change the way you move forever. Here is something most people never stop to think about. Every single step you take puts pressure on your joints, your spine, and your cardiovascular system. When walking is done correctly, that pressure builds strength. But when these 4 mistakes are present, that same pressure becomes damage, building silently inside your body week after week. The consequences are real, and they are happening right now to millions of people who believe they are doing everything right. If you want to protect your health long term, make sure you subscribe, because this channel breaks down exactly this kind of science-based health information every single week. Mistake number 1. Walking without warming up. This one surprises most people because walking feels gentle. It feels safe. But here is what is actually happening. When you step outside and immediately walk at full speed, your joints are still stiff, your muscles are cold, and your heart is completely unprepared for the sudden demand. That pressure does not disappear. It goes directly into your knees, your hips, and your lower back. Over time, that repeated shock quietly accelerates joint damage. The fix is simple. Spend the first 3 to 5 minutes walking slowly. Let your body wake up naturally before increasing your pace. This one small change protects your joints every single time you walk. But mistake number 2? That one is even more overlooked, and the damage it causes goes deeper than most people realize. Mistake number 2. Wrong posture while walking. Most people think poor posture only causes back pain. But here is the part that surprises almost everyone. When your head pushes forward and your chest collapses inward, your lungs cannot fully expand. That means your body receives less oxygen with every single step. Less oxygen means less energy, slower circulation, and increased strain on your neck and shoulders every single time you walk. Your posture is silently deciding how much benefit your body actually receives. The fix is straightforward. Keep your head lifted, your shoulders relaxed and slightly back, and your chest open. Let your body breathe the way it was designed to. Now tell us in the comments, do you ever catch yourself looking down while walking? But before you answer, make sure you see mistake number 3. It is quietly affecting more people than any other mistake on this list. Mistake number 3. Wearing the wrong shoes. Most people choose walking shoes based on appearance or price. But here is what almost nobody talks about. Every single walk you take in the wrong shoe sends unbalanced pressure directly into your knees, your hips, and your spine. That damage does not announce itself immediately. It builds quietly. Step by step, walk by walk. A proper walking shoe needs 3 things. First, adequate cushioning to absorb impact. Second, solid arch support to keep your foot correctly aligned. Third, a flexible sole that allows natural movement. If no one has told you this before, make sure you subscribe, because this channel covers exactly the health details that most people miss. Mistake number 4. The one most people never see coming. Ignoring recovery after walking. Here is what is happening inside your body right now after every single walk. Your muscles are breaking down small amounts of tissue. Your joints are carrying accumulated pressure. Your body is actively waiting for the signal to repair and rebuild. But when recovery is ignored, no hydration, no stretching, no rest, that repair never fully happens. Walk after walk, the damage quietly compounds. The fix is 3 things. Drink water after every walk. Stretch your legs and lower back for 5 minutes. and allow your body at least one full rest day every week. Recovery is not optional. It is the missing piece that makes every walk actually work for your body instead of against it. Walking is still one of the most powerful habits you can build for your health, but only when these 4 mistakes are avoided. Small corrections make a real difference over time. Now tell us in the comments, which of these 4 mistakes were you making without knowing? If this video helped you, press the like button so more people can find this information. Subscribe to this channel for more clear, science-based health content every week. Thanks for watching.